In this video, I will show you how to insert chart in Google Docs. So very simple and basic way to insert the chart in your Google Docs document like this. Click anywhere where you want to insert, like here. Then insert, move cursor to chart. You can select chart as bar, column, line or pie. Select it. Now here, adjust the size for your chart. Now to make changes, data, click on this three dot and click on open source. Now here make changes as you need. Now again click here and click on this three dot. Now here click on update. So you will see these changes. Once you done, so unlink this chart from this open source and close it. Similarly, you can insert line chart, and similar method you can make changes and modify this chart graph as you need. Select it and click on open source. Also guys, you can make changes to keep your graph. So select this in front of text. So you can keep your graph anywhere in your document. Between text, once you select here this option. So thanks for watching.